In this video, we'll see a few ways to import a project. The easiest way is to drag and drop a zipped project into the New Open Project window. We can change the project name if we desire. We simply have to confirm and wait for the project name to appear in the list. After a few seconds, we can start working on the newly imported project. With a right mouse click, we can see an import function. On the left side, we can also find this identical import function. This time, we have to browse for the zip project we want to import. The main difference with the first method is that we can't define a new project name. Just as a reminder, the easiest way to make a project backup is to do a right mouse click and choose Create Project Backup. We'll select a location and confirm with a save. We might have a situation where we have an unzipped backup and placed it in the project folder. We can see the project is not visible in the existing project list. We need to use one of the tools from the All menu to recreate a project list. After a few seconds, we'll get a confirmation the list has been updated. We can now see the complete project list and start working.